So now it's about like 11 p.m. And a couple of hours ago, my student texted me to say that she wanted to cancel tomorrow's lesson because she had something to do like out of the blue. So I am going to be free next morning, which is a Friday morning. So I decided to join in a bakery show held in SECC, known for Saigon Center for Convention. Let me check again. This is the place. Can you see it? Oh, I can see it. It is Saigon Exhibition and Convention Center, SECC. So it's in District 7, and there is a bakery show running on at the moment. It started from the 11th until the 14th of December. So I think it's gonna be an extremely wonderful opportunity for me in order to get to know all of the different equipment, and machines that would. Of course, moreover, I would like to meet new people, try some kinds of cakes and sweet things. So I'm just so eager to go to. But I plan to go there this Saturday, not Friday, because I thought that I would have a class next morning, but since it is canceled, I would like to change the plan. Okay, because I think it's gonna be less crowded on a weekday, right, compared to a weekend. So I think I'm gonna go tomorrow. Yep. Well, to be honest with you, I have never gone to District 7 alone. All of the times that I've been there, like it would be like my uncle who drove me, or like somebody else to rode me. So I think this is gonna be a challenge for me. I would ride myself to District 7 for the very first time in my life. I think it could be a huge milestone in my life. Yep. You know the reason why that I haven't done it before? Let me show you. More back. You see that? Can you? I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you can see that? 18 kilometers away. Woo! 36. No. You can never ever go there within 36 minutes in the daylight. It's just impossible. It's gonna be crazy for the traffic here. No, I think it's gonna be about like 45 to 1 hour, I think. So that's the reason why I have never been there alone by myself, riding a motorbike. So this is a huge challenge for me, right? I think that's the only reason. So I would take this opportunity, like a great experience for me to grow up and to have more experience. I think going to sleep early, because then I need to wake up at around 7:30 to get ready, and I have to set off at around 8 a.m. or it's going to be extremely crowded, right? And I think I would be in District 7 around 9 a.m. So let's see if the plan goes well. Okay. Anyway, good night, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye! Woo! Hi! This is the Friday's morning. You guess what? I couldn't sleep last night. Actually, I had to stay awake until 3 a.m. because I kept tossing and turning on my bed because of the cup of milk tea I drank last night. So take a look at the clock right now. What time is it? Wow. It's been what? Oh no. It's been 10:25 right now. It's not really good. But I still have to stick to the plan, okay? I think that I'm gonna be in SECC at around like 11 a.m. I'm going to take you there, okay? But thanks to the magic of the editing, now you will be in SECC in 3, 2, 1. Woo! I made it, guys! Ah! See, yeah. That's SECC. Let's take a look around. I'm in. Wow. What a long queue. What they are doing. They are going to have like free pastry and bread, I think. Should I join the queue? I don't know. It's really long. It's really long. Let's go around first, shall we? Join the queue to get free bread, free bánh mì. just too sweet for me. I really want to sit down. I'm so tired because of the queue. I see a place where I can sit. I just forget to film the whole thing. Oh my god. But anyway, I made my bánh mì. Inside we have cilantro, green onion, and chilies. I take them all out because I just cannot eat them. It's just too raw, too spicy for me. So I'll sit here and enjoy my bánh mì a little bit, and then I will start walking around in the next like 20 minutes or so. Okay. Buon appetito. Just crunchy. And just can't go wrong with bánh mì, okay? You can't go wrong. Especially when it's straight from the oven. You cannot never go wrong with it. Quay chơi thôi chị. Đó là kiểu thử chỉnh video thôi chứ cũng Hello, I'm back. I have just have, I don't know, like the red bean Taiwan cake. I think so. It's still very hot right now. Let's try it. It seems like they have millions of layers of big dough inside. Yeah. It's extremely soft. It melts right into my mouth. Nice. Not too sweet. Kind of expressive. Now about 2:10. I think I'm going to ask a company here about the electric deck ovens. Let's see. I'm eyeing this one. Looks kind of nice, right? They have the stand here so that I can easily put all of my trays here and let them cool down. Kind of nice. These two are extremely convenient for me, I think. It should be the best. So, okay, let's go and ask them about this one. Okay. Okay, you know what? That oven is surprisingly exorbitant. So, I don't know. Maybe it's time for me to go home. I was 2:35. I think it would take me about like 1 hour to go to Government Street. So I think I should go now. I have another class. No, I have a class at 4:30 p.m. Which is kind of nice because I have maybe 1 hour to spare. So I'm see you on the way back. Okay? See ya.